All right, everybody, we're back. We're doing a GT race this time. We got Dave the Hatman Psychedelic in the shag area. Kurt is in his Liquid Molly Xbow. Dirty Dave is in the Green Machine Mercedes AMG. Mike is in his bullshit Porsche. And I am in my Pagani. 21 lap race, 4 strikes and you're out. Here we go. Queensryche in the background. Called it. Mike's out once. Okay, we good?
Yep.
No? Okay.
Wow. There's 2.
Twice.
Stop.
I'm not off, but I'm off.
You're not in the slot.
I'm not in the slot.
What are we doing?
Doesn't matter.
He
I'm
took
out.
off.
Everybody fucking
He took off, so I did.
jump off the bridge. Everybody else gonna jump?
No, I wouldn't.
Yeah, absolutely. You got a quarter, you're out. I was out. A quarter.
Wow, Kurt.
Doesn't matter.
Sure it does.
Nah.
Guys might want to change lanes here pretty quick.
Screw you, Todd.
Nice slide, Dave.
Nice
Yeah.
slide. Nice one.
I missed it. Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
That
2.
Pagani's like ridiculously
Kurt,
fast.
we'll push this one up just a little bit. There you go, thank you.
Go. Italian, Kurt.
Always the best, buddy.
See? When are you gonna bring us Wanda's, bud?
Didn't I bring us Wanda's once before?
No.
Oh, I thought I did.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, did you?
I brought it.
Oh, they
Your
brought-
mom. You're supposed to get your mom to make them. We want real Italian mother
I
Wanda.
bought it.
I got it. Right on.
You're right.
Oh,
You
that
know
was
what?
him.
My mom just made some for Christmas.
2 or 3.
Stop.
Oh, yeah, he gets to go up in front.
That's where it was.
Somehow or another, Mike got him first. But I don't know how. Stop.
I'll get you.
Is that 4?
That's 4.
That is 4, yeah. There you go, boys.
My God.
No, I can't win. He's already in first. Somehow or another, he got a lot of help on me, which I don't understand. But it's all good. And then you crash into me, jerk face. Good job. Mike in the Porsche won. I got second, the Pagani. Dave got third. Kurt got fourth. Metal.
Backhanded compliment.